I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making cinnamon and chocolate flavored popcorn. This is a great recipe for when you're watching TV or just as a late night snack. So, let's start. We're first gonna start by mixing up all of our ingredients. I have some cocoa powder here, some cinnamon, a little bit of salt and some sugar. This is the mix you're gonna sprinkle on top of the popcorn. That gives you that nice chocolatey and cinnamony flavor. Next up, we're gonna heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. First, drop in a little bit of your popcorn kernels. When you hear them popping, add in the rest. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch out! When all of your kernels have popped, lift off the lid and add your mix to it. Put the lid on top and shake. Once it is nice incorporated, transfer it into a bowl. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking, and I'll see you next time at your dinner.